in the home village in Sierra Leone. War done. Building boom going on here in the great nation of Sierra Leone. Come on and walk with me. I'm gonna show you. See, here's the deal. Hold on, I'm about to tell you. Hold on. Okay, this is the deal. As far as I'm concerned, and I mean this with all my heart, nothing can stop us. 1,500 years of Tubab or Yimbo colonization and anti-African jihadi, none of that can stop us. Katrina can't stop us. Slave plantations can't stop us. Warfare against us can't stop us. Nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us. We build it. No matter what happens, we snap back like a country branch. We build again. Like I said, nothing can stop us. Acts of war, colonization, subversion. We will rise and conquer each and every time. We snap back like a country branch. You flood us, we rise above the waters. You steal from us, we rebuild again. Yep. Like I said, the same energy that we're gonna bring at home, the same revolution, the same resilience. We're gonna join with our family worldwide. We're gonna do the same thing. Like I said, nothing can stop us. ÄKỌ ÀШΑ to the great nation of Sierra Leone. For those of you that are not here right now, my beloveds, we're gonna build, we're gonna protect, we're gonna defend, we're gonna conquer. Trust me on that. Everywhere in the world where our 2 feet strike the ground, that's our domain. If you dig what I'm saying, you can get more with our platform on JUJUPOWER. Just follow the link. Or I give you this for free with love. We're gonna fight and we're gonna win. I guarantee. Now I'm about to show you a little bit of some of what we're building and we will fight for, and we will win. I'll show you a little something. Welcome to the village. ILE ԷKỌ family compound. Community here, extended family. We're not gonna bow down. We're never gonna suffer forever. If it take 100 years, little by little and bit by bit, our day is here. JUJUPOWER for life.